Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Guatemala together. This is a very special coffee for us from the Finca Bella Vista at the Ayarza Lake. The variety is Typica and the process is the Toro Maduro special process. For more details on this coffee, visit our webshop. To extract the beautiful flavors of Finca Bella Vistas out of your brew, please follow this recipe. 250 grams of third wave water. Set the kettle to 94 degrees Celsius. Weigh 16 grams of coffee and grind it on click 22 of your Comandante for a balanced cup. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your V60. Get ready for the 3 pours. First one, 40 grams in 5 seconds. Blooming, release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Then, after 20 seconds, 80 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, starting to release the flavors of blackberries, red grape, lemon curd and muscovado sugar. After 1 minute, 130 grams of over 10 seconds, supporting the body of this coffee. Swirl at 1 minute and 40 for an even extraction. The total brew time of Finca Bella Vista from Guatemala is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Enjoy this special coffee.